Alright, I'm gonna see if I can get this in so you can see everything. Sorry it took so long to upload this video. Alright, so you got this rail right here. That slides up and down. You got that bolt there. This pole. I don't know how well this is gonna help, but alright, so you got this cover here. Of course, this is just a storage place for that, storage place for this. Alright, so the inside, so you got that there, this right here. That bar all the way across there. This plate, this one here, move this out of the way. So you got all your, that bar to over here with those through there. This is leading up to here. I don't know if I can see in there. That bar goes around to here. Let's see. This side is pretty much the same thing. You got, looks like these screws down here are holding this plate right here. Of course, once again, this is storage for that foot plate. That bar is going around, connected on the other side, just like that. Not sure if that's the right bolt there. I don't know why that one looks different over here, but it's not like that one over there. They must have just threw one in there. Like I say, I mean, I knew I didn't want to have to deal with putting this thing together. So I just paid to have it installed.